All right, today we're looking at a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum Edition four-wheel drive. All right, it's got 49,000 miles on it, cayenne red in color. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's a North Carolina car. All right, we're going to walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the nice chrome trim at the bottom, nice chrome door handles with the lock-unlock button here. You got the heated side mirrors. And you got the nice kind of silver chrome roof rack up here. All right, driver's side of the Pathfinder is in good shape. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera. Got your tow hitch down here. All right, got your rear sonar here, rear park assist, four-wheel drive. All right, it does have a couple of little scratches going right down the back, right through here. Okay, I just want to point those out to you. Real minor, they've already been painted over, you can hardly see them, but still, I just want to point those out to you. All right, make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good. Got the lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle as well. It is a 3rd row seat, okay? It's a 2014, 49,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in great shape. Right here on the hood, just want to point this out to you too. Just a couple small little scratches. Okay, they've already been painted over. Just want to point those out. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels, nice wood grain trim here. Got the memory seats, okay. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Go ahead and flip this slide on. We do have the black interior, so it's a little more difficult to see. All right, got the nice thick rubber floor mats, power driver's seat. All right, black leather. Got the perforated inserts here. All right, got the center armrest, 2 different areas of storage there. Got the power outlet there, auxiliary outlet in there as well. Passenger seat leather is in great shape. All right, no problems there. It does come with the 2 keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Okay, you got your 4-wheel drive knob right here. You can select. It's got the 4x4i mode there. You got air conditioned and heated seats. Okay, it does have heated 2nd row, but no air conditioning. But the front row is air conditioned and heated. It is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls, CD player there. You're going to have your navigation, backup camera, and radio display right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. It is equipped with the push button start, leather wrap steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And then we can slide right down here. It also has the power lift gate and your heated steering wheel. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 49,945 miles. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you your navigation display. All right, let's see, go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and that beeping you hear is the rear park assist, telling you the closer you get, the faster that thing's going to beep. All right, of course we already saw the push button start here. You got your dual climate controls right here. AC's blowing nice and cold, no issues at all there. All right, it does have your CD player, and then once again your air conditioned and heated seats. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, door panels look good. 2nd row does have that nice thick rubber floor mat all the way through. Okay, you do have rear heated seats, 2nd row heated seats right here. Got another power outlet here, rear air, rear heat. Okay, 2nd row leather is in good shape. Same as the front, does have the perforated inserts. All right, got the center console that comes down, got your cup holders there. All right, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, this thing's got all the bells and whistles you could possibly want. It's well taken care of. It's a 2014, only 49,000 miles. All right, 2nd row slides all the way up. 3rd row does have the nice rubber floor mats as well. 3rd row seats are in great shape. No issues at all. Okay, just slide this back. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. It does have the power lift gate. So if we press that button there, all right, nice and smooth coming up. All right, it does have the nice thick rubber protector mat back here. Another power outlet here as well. Okay, now you can see that 3rd row does cut into the space a little bit in the back. If you don't have any third row passengers, you can simply pull this up. Let's see. First of all, you want to take this down, the headrest down, pull that up. Those fall right down into place. Really easy to do. Okay, and you can see just how much it opens it up back here in the back. All right, simply hit this button here. Nice and smooth back down. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 20-inch alloys. All right, got the nice gray accent there. Tires are still in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum Edition, 4-wheel drive. It's got 49,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. The car came out of North Carolina. All right, so it's fairly local. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.